Just like a car, your new bike needs maintenance to stay safe and reliable. Your bike is made up of lots of different moving parts, many of which require lubrication. Your chain is probably the first part on your bike, which will require a little bit of maintenance lubrication, especially if you hear it squeaking or if you've been riding in the rain. Your local turn dealer can recommend an appropriate chain lubricant. After applying, make sure you wipe off the excess lubricant to avoid getting any on the bike or yourself. There are several parts of your bike that will wear out over time, including the chain, brakes, and tires. If you see wear signs, visit your turn dealer for replacements. We also recommend that you periodically check that your wheels are true, or in other words, straight. To check them, lift your front wheel and spin. Check for any excessive side-to-side motion and check that the disc is not rubbing against the brake pads. Also, make sure that nothing is broken or loose. If you find that anything has been warped or damaged with your wheels, just bring your bike into your turn dealer and they'll sort you out. When not using the battery pack for a longer period, charge it to approximately 60%, 3 to 4 out of 5 LEDs, before storing it in someplace safe. Check the charge condition after 6 months. When only one LED lights up, recharge the battery again to approximately 60%. If you are a light weekend rider, try to bring your bike to your dealer every 3 months. Whereas, if you're a daily rider, aim to bring your bike in about once a month. Regardless of how often you ride, bring your bike to your dealer within a month after purchasing it.
Cables and brakes take a little bit of time to break in, so you'll enjoy your bike the most if it's tuned up after about a month of use.
Regular maintenance is the key to the longevity of your new turn bicycle. That about covers it. There's plenty of additional information in your user manual, as well as under the tips and tricks on turnbicycles.com. And your turn dealer is always available to answer questions. Thanks again for choosing Turn.